Welcome to Cine Tech, your source for unbiased product reviews. Today, we're looking at this XGIMI Elfin Flip 4K portable triple laser projector. This compact device promises full 4K UHD immersion with a powerful RGB triple laser light source. It also features a unique folding stand and integrated Google TV, making it a versatile entertainment hub. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's explore how the Elfin Flip 4K performs in various practical situations. The image quality is very strong, providing a sharp and colorful picture that holds up well, especially for a projector of this size. Its placement flexibility is a major asset, thanks to the optical zoom, automatic setup, and the highly versatile folding stand. For gamers, it supports 1080p at 120Hz with useful low latency features, making it a solid choice for casual and competitive play. Its portability is impressive due to its compact body and folding stand, though you will always need an external power source. This XGIMI Elfin Flip delivers a strong performance across key real-world uses, particularly in image quality and placement flexibility. Next, let's consider the value offered by this XGIMI Elfin Flip 4K. The picture quality offers significant value, especially with its 4K triple laser output and broad color accuracy, which stands out in its class. Its setup value is exceptional because optical zoom and automatic alignment features simplify placement, minimizing typical projector headaches. The smart features offer good value with integrated Google TV and Harman Kardon audio, providing a complete entertainment package. Compared to competitors, it provides premium portable capabilities, though some larger projectors may offer more brightness at a similar price. The Elfin Flip presents strong value for its unique blend of premium features in a portable form factor, although direct comparisons exist. Finally, we analyzed the potential risks and common complaints associated with this projector. The image quality is generally excellent, but individuals sensitive to DLP technology might occasionally perceive rainbow artifacts on screen. While Google TV is convenient, some independent testing indicates that navigating the interface can sometimes feel a bit sluggish. The lack of an internal battery reduces its true outdoor portability since it always requires an external power connection to function. XGIMI has a well-established history and provides good support for its projectors, offering more confidence than newer brands. While generally safe, buyers should be aware of potential software sluggishness and the necessity of always having external power. This XGIMI Elfin Flip 4K projector is a highly recommended portable option for those prioritizing image quality and setup flexibility in a compact form factor. It delivers premium 4K triple laser visuals, optical zoom, and a versatile stand, making it excellent for varied environments. While it needs external power and Google TV can be sluggish at times, these are minor points for such a capable device. It's a strong contender that brings real home cinema quality to a truly portable projector.